Welcome back to Factful Finance, the place where we make sense of the complex world of money and turn it into practical, actionable advice. Today, we're diving into a topic that could literally change the course of your financial future: financial literacy. Now, imagine this. You walk into your first job after college, excited to start earning, but as you look over your paycheck, you're confused by tax deductions, retirement contributions, and all those other numbers you didn't learn in school. Sound familiar? Well, you're not alone. Financial literacy is one of the most crucial life skills, and yet schools are not doing enough to prepare students for the realities of managing money. But why is that? Why is it that something as essential as money management isn't being taught in classrooms? Let's take a deep dive into why financial literacy is so important, what schools aren't teaching, and how you can fill the gap. First, let's break this down. Financial literacy is not just about being able to budget or save. It's about understanding how money works in the real world. It's about knowing the difference between good debt and bad debt, understanding how investments grow over time, and knowing how to protect yourself from financial fraud. It's about feeling empowered with the knowledge to make informed decisions, whether you're paying off student loans, buying your first home, or saving for retirement. However, while schools do a great job of teaching math, science, and history, personal finance often gets overlooked. According to a 2021 study by the National Endowment for Financial Education, only 17 states in the U.S. require students to take a personal finance course to graduate high school. That means a majority of students are graduating without ever learning about budgeting, investing, or even how to manage debt effectively. So, how are we supposed to be financially successful if we don't even learn the basics? Now, let's be real. Personal finance isn't exactly the most thrilling topic in the world, but the truth is, it can make or break your financial future. Take the example of Emma, a recent college graduate. She had big dreams of buying a house one day, but after a year of working full-time, she found herself drowning in credit card debt. She didn't fully understand how high interest rates worked, so she carried a balance month after month. Had Emma learned about credit card interest and debt management in school, she could have avoided this mess and been well on her way to buying that house sooner. But here's the good news. You don't have to wait for school to teach you these crucial lessons. There are plenty of ways to gain financial literacy on your own, and trust me, it's worth it. Start by setting financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or paying off debt, having a clear goal gives you direction. Let's say Liam wants to save $5,000 for a vacation in a year. By creating a monthly budget and cutting back on non-essential spending, he can set aside a little each month, making the goal more attainable. The 50-30-20 rule is a great place to start here. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Next, understand the power of compound interest. Benjamin, for example, starts investing in his 20s and contributes $200 a month to his retirement account. Thanks to the magic of compound interest, his small monthly contribution could grow into a substantial amount by the time he's ready to retire. This is why the earlier you start, the better. It's also crucial to understand how credit works. Henry learned this the hard way when he applied for his first car loan. He had no idea that his credit score would affect his interest rate. Because his credit score was low, he ended up paying thousands of dollars more over the life of the loan. With a basic understanding of credit, Henry could have worked to improve his score and saved that money. So what can you do today to start building your financial literacy? There are plenty of resources available to help you. Consider using budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB, which can help you track your spending and set goals. Invest in learning through books, podcasts, or online courses. And when in doubt, don't hesitate to consult a professional. Financial advisors can provide personalized guidance tailored to your unique situation. But here's my challenge for you. What's the first step you'll take to improve your financial literacy? Maybe it's creating your first budget, or perhaps it's researching different investment strategies. Whatever it is, start today. Trust me, the sooner you take action, the sooner you'll feel empowered and in control of your financial future. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that this content is for educational purposes only. The apps and products we mention aren't endorsed, so always make sure to consult a professional for personalized financial guidance. Thank you for watching this video on Factful Finance. If you found this content helpful, why not hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. We think you'll really enjoy the video popping up on your screen next. It could be the perfect next step in your financial journey. Take care, and remember, financial literacy is the key to unlocking your financial freedom.